Anyway, end of year's here.
EOY.
We're starting kind of early because we're doing things different. And I know y'all are like so sick of me. I understand. Y'all, this has been a true year of self-reflection. And not only on myself, but on business, because I take everything back to business. So, as y'all have seen, I've been all over the place trying to figure out where I want to go with this thing. I feel nervous saying this because
I don't feel nervous at all. I feel confident in saying it. Very confident.
That's so mean.
It's not mean, it's business.
I understand. Okay. So we're going back to doing things like we used to do them.
Get your hands ready.
We have finally gotten ourselves back to a place where we see inventory where it needs to be, where it should have been, where it should have actually never left. And not blaming y'all for any of that. This is totally on me. All of it. I blame me for it. Buying up inventory I thought I would need, and just about a bunch of stupid bad decisions. So now that we've gotten ourselves back to a place where we need to be to continue to build Tangles and Beyond into it being a next level product of where we can offer it, we are cutting the shipping time into 15 days now. So from the date that you place your order, expect to receive your products within 15 days now, instead of the 430 to 45. We are cutting down the amount of products that we are making. And we are offering only certain products during certain times of the year. Instead of taking away, like this summer, we've been still shipping the whip products, still shipping the antidote. We feel like we've gotten our recipe to a place where it can stabilize through the summer. So, because we've had no one to say that theirs come up messed up or anything. Haven't had any reports of any melted soaps, and it's been hot as fuck. So, not hearing any reports of that and doing my own testing of it and not seeing it melt, I'm like, yeah, I think I finally got it where it needs to be. We figured it out without having to add anything to it, y'all. Like, that's been the trick. So, we're going back to old school car snatching and stuff like that. So I'm not sure, since we've been on Shopify, you guys been pretty spoiled, been able to have days to shop, and we've been we've been working ourselves, we've been able to finish quicker, but still working ourselves crazy to the point where we have no room to do anything else. And there's so much more we want to do, and we're trying to figure out how we're going to do it without overworking ourselves, because that's the problem. So we are taking it back to a limited type situation. So it will be limited, and it will be only certain items available. So we're not like bringing everything back for this first part of EOY. We're bringing some collections back. Like this first EOY sale will have the face collection plus 2 new products. We're adding a toner to it, and we're adding a back acne purifying scrub, a mud scrub. Like it's Dead Sea salt added to a mask that's very similar to the Pure mask. It has the tea tree oils and the peppermint oil too, which is great for acne, especially great for body acne. I want to steer you guys away from that body makeup thing. I'm seeing that that's becoming a big thing, and like, you can clear your skin up on your body. You just got to get the right products, and doing it naturally is the best way. So we've added 2 new products to it, but we're bringing back the soap-free cleanser, the face moisturizer, which we've actually made a little bit better. What else come in face? The whipped scrub with the Hawaiian salt. Right? Yeah, okay. With the Hawaiian salt bar. And then we've added an activated charcoal toner with an aloe base. So You guys are going to love it. It still has the same beautiful scent. However, one thing that will be taken away is any scent antidotes are not going to be on this round. Glazes will not be on this round. Exclusive scents are gone. You can no longer be able to get your exclusive scents in everything, y'all. We did this to get rid of inventory. We had to get rid of so much inventory. And that was the way y'all were willing to do it. Y'all were willing to purchase from me if y'all could get it at a sale. That's why we were popping off all those sales to encourage y'all to buy. So we could get rid of stuff. So we could move in all of our newer products, because I got some new stuff for y'all. Y'all see this hair? Y'all see this hair? Y'all see this hair? Y'all see this hair, right?
She feeling herself right now.
A tiny bit. Y'all know I never comb my hair, but I've been really diligent over the past couple weeks on myself, paying more attention to me, because one day I actually stopped and looked at him and said, like, damn. Good. And then of course this one don't say nothing. He don't care. Like he thought that Mario shit was sexy. So anyway.
I'm simple.
Ain't hard to please at all.
Don't get it twisted.
Thank you,
baby. Yeah.
Anyway, so I got new stuff to share with y'all. I gave y'all a little glimpse on Instagram of the Tangles over 30 line. That's what my hair has been done with. I was seeing where my hair was starting to fail, and it wasn't a stressing fail. It was just being really lazy with my routine, not deep conditioning like I should, and all that stuff. So I got back into the habit of taking care of my hair properly, making sure I wear my bonnet every night. Honey, I go to bed in a minute without a bonnet. I would be giving a damn, because I gotta get back and go back to work. Everything's about work. It's all about work.
Work.
So, but I've been really diligent, and I want to keep this routine up. And I'm noticing that my hair is starting to thrive again and be this, like I know it can be. So I'm anxious to drop this line on y'all, which won't come on this drop. It will be the next one. However, we're introducing Primp. Tell them about Primp, baby. Tell them about the gun line. About the gun line, Bob.
Well, I got a good, nice beard oil on the way. I got a beard wash on the way. And I have aftershave balm on the way.
It's a finishing
butter type situation. Way different from Butterberries. We going a different route.
Butterberries is coming back though, just not on this round.
Not on this round.
We're bringing it back probably after Butter Bikinis, because the next round Butter Bikinis will be back and new and improved with the new antidote shave butter texture. Like the shaving experience will be even better.
I think, Primp is gonna take it to the next level too, for as if you wanna keep your beard growth consistent with the actual look, and the feel. So yeah, I'm excited about it.
So I'm gonna tell y'all a little story behind how Primp came about. So this one here is very particular about his beard. He takes care of his beard and he does all his little grooming and everything. And normally, when we're like getting ready to go somewhere, I'm ready 15 minutes tops. I don't have to do makeup or anything. I might put a little gloss on. I'm mainly concerned about my hair. Is it dressed alright? What crystal I'm wearing? And, that kind of thing. My baby takes a good, like he now takes his time, like it's never been right before, which he does still before we go out somewhere. That thing, brush. I mean, come on here. But he takes care of himself, and I always say, so you in here primping now? And so he just took on the word, and honestly, primping was a form of sarcasm, actually. Like when my mom or my sisters we would meddle with each other. We would say, she in that primping, taking too long primping. And the definition of primping is taking meticulous care of one's appearance. So he does that. That is him. So we named the line Primp by Julian, because he's going to do a video showing you guys how he does his whole routine and how he finished off with his little butter. Y'all ought to see that thing. You know he's sexy with them big lips. So y'all look forward to that coming. Make sure you subscribe and do the little bell, because the bell lets you know when we got new stuff coming. And yeah, share the video if you like. So we got lots of changes coming, y'all. We hope that now we're going to get ourselves back to a more structured pace, because it was touch and go there for a moment. It was touch and go for Tangles that be. I was like, you know, should we continue this or should we not? Should we hang this up or should we not? You know, like it was like, let's go a different route. But the route kept still turning back here, because I just, it's my baby, and I have still so many ideas I can bring to Tangles and Beyond to get it back to where it needs to be. So we look forward to seeing y'all drop day. Slay the drop. Slay the drop.
Hit us up.
All right. If y'all have any questions, please send us emails at custserv@tanglesandbeyond.com. I'll have it on the screen for you. And if you guys have any questions about the drop, or if you have any questions about your orders, this recent order that just went through this month, we'll be starting on it next week. We cut it real short so we can get it out quick, so we can do this EOY sale for you guys. All right. So love y'all for the support. Thank y'all, and we'll see y'all on drop day. It will be the 27th, 1 o'clock p.m. Y'all know my regular time. We're gonna keep it there, 1 o'clock. And if you are planning on getting something, I suggest you be there. If you're on my email list, I'm gonna send a password out 24 hours before the drop day starts, and you will have access to the store to see what all will be on there. You can go ahead and fill your cart if you want, but you won't be able to check out till 1 o'clock the next day. So y'all be prepared for that. If you're not on the mailing list, go to the website now, www.tanglesandbeyond.com, and this little box is going to swing down in your face. Sign up there and confirm your email, and then you'll be on the mailing list. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Peace.